Okay, I am back, and my hair is no longer in its bands. Oh, we are nice and free and clean. Oh my god, that feels so much better. So, what do we do now? We go through and we pull them apart to make sure that we don't have hairs tangled in. For the most part, my hair is just a little bit damp, but it's still dry. Well, it's not really dry, it's just damp. So, go through and kind of just pull and make sure that my Sisterlocks are not, you know, growing together, not stuck together. In the meantime, some quick facts about my Sisterlocks. What I love, what I hate. So I love the fact that they are low maintenance. My hair is extremely low maintenance. I only have to retighten them about once every 8 to 10 weeks. The longest I've ever gone without retightening my hair is 11 weeks, and that's when I was on my way here to the sandbox. I actually didn't have, I got them retightened right before I left, and then I waited because I was like, oh my god, I really don't want to have to retighten my hair by myself. But I ended up retightening my hair by myself, so I'm not upset whatsoever. I did good. I did it twice in a row. Now, what I do hate about what I did with my hair is I ended up combining 2 locks in multiple places, which I was trying to avoid. And so I had cried my tears. I fought my battles because I couldn't get them apart, and it was so annoying. So I was just like, well, you just got to get over it. As I stated before, I'm actually gonna go almost 15 weeks without a retighten this time, just because I want to get home and go back to my loctician, and I want my grid to be fixed. I don't know if it can be completely redone without having take some locks out and, you know, reconstructing my hair all together, but I'm really hoping that I could possibly get a straighter part, specifically down the middle and down the sides of my head and places like that. Something else I love about my Sisterlocks, I really love the way they look, period. I love the way my Sisterlocks, this is one of the best decisions that I've ever made. I am a person who does frequent hairstyles. When I say I get my hair done, I used to get my hair done almost every 2 weeks. Your girl was spending thousands on weaves. So, you know, I stopped spending thousands on weaves and started spending $75 for a retighten. And not to say that I stopped getting weaves after, because maybe the first year I wore wigs because I wasn't as comfortable as I am now. As y'all can see, I'm kind of lazy. I do maybe 2 or 3 at a time, kind of go through and pull my fingers through just to make sure they're not connected and things like that at the roots. Make sure we're not getting anything that snags. I broke one of my nails earlier going through when I was washing my hair, going through the root. It snagged on and it broke. I'm out here trying to regrow my nails, trying to be natural at the fingertips, y'all.
Excuse my ugly ass nail beds.
Ooh, she got a little bit. There you go. You can see it. Got a little bit going there. So some things that I hate about Sisterlocks. Honestly, I love my Sisterlocks. I don't really know what I hate about them. No, I know what I hate about them. Lint. I absolutely hate it when lint gets in my hair. You know, it's not as easy. Like, imagine sitting there all day picking lint out. Is that a piece of lint? That's a piece of lint right there. Speaking of lint, it gets really irritating when you get lint in your hair. And y'all see how frizzy my hair is now. So imagine in 11 weeks where I'll be at. Ooh, girl, is that length? That is length. My hair goes. I'm gonna have to put pictures out for you guys on what kind of hair goes I have. Speaking of, you guys should go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is omi. That's omi.omy. Go check out my Instagram. I have suit inspiration, Sisterlocks and suits. I also will be dropping in January something, so you guys should definitely go to my Instagram and follow me. Subscribe here, click the notification button, bell, wherever it is. You should click it, and therefore you'll be able to get notifications on when I post my next video. Y'all can keep up. I know there's a tribe out there because we're just now getting our sister locks. We're just now getting our locks. And I'm talking to the sisters in uniform specifically. For those who didn't know, locks were approved officially in 2018. We were approved to wear locks in our uniform, so therefore you're starting to see more women get locks who wear uniform, who are in the military. Shout out to y'all. Thank you for your service. We're all in this together. Oh, look at those locks. This is nice. This is what you call nice locks. I like them. Okay, as you can see, the other side has not been vetted. Okay, so now that this side has been vetted, I really don't like putting my hair in a ponytail when it's wet, unless I have to like be super cute and I'm not giving a presentation tomorrow. So I don't need to be super cute or anything. Yeah, I know I rant a lot and I know I ramble, so excuse me if y'all don't want to hear that. Just let me know and I will stop rambling on this here Omi Omai's show. Okay, let's remember this is Omi Omai's show. And I love my audience, so therefore I follow what my audience like. Look at that lint. Oh, look at that lint. Actually, I wonder if that's, what do you call that part of your follicles that you pull out? To be honest with you guys, is how I wash my hair. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. I'm Omi Omai. Sister locks and suits and everything in between. Tune back in whenever you get a chance. Like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you're looking for. Tell me if you enjoy my content.
But for real though, did y'all actually like this video, or was it too much talking, too much rambling?
Yeah.
What do you want to see, bro? He just messed up the whole thing.